Single-pair Ethernet is the communication standard of the future. SPE enables you to achieve higher data rates up to the gigabit range, an extended distance of up to 1,000 meters, and to simultaneously transmit data and power up to 50 watts, and it also reduces your cabling effort. What do we have for this at Phoenix Contact? The appropriate connection technology with connectors for the IP20 area, for the IP protected area in the M8 and M12 designs, and our M12 SPE hybrid connector. And to show that the whole thing really works, we are demonstrating it here in a running application with two sensors that are connected to a switch via SPE. And the whole thing is visualized here via the Profi Cloud application, enabling the data and communications to be read in real time in the cloud.